Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to make a brochure. So if you want to make brochure, you need to download the brochure template. You can go to create.microsoft.com and then search for the brochure. So in here we have a lot of options and you can select the brochure like this. After that you can click download this brochure template. Now you can open your Microsoft Word and then click File, go to Open, and then you can browse your download files. As example, I will download this builder brochure, and you can click Open. We're waiting to open in Microsoft Word, and this is the brochure template. You can click to edit, like in this paragraph or in another paragraph. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial, how to make a brochure. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.